Okay, everybody, so we're at the point where I've taken the entire body apart so that we can get to all the internals if we need to. So as you can see, we can lift all this up. But for now, I'm just going to worry about the screen. And what I've got here is a little heat gun. And I'm going to go ahead and set it at 175. That seems to be the sweet spot on melting the glue that's underneath this screen, because that's what's holding the screen down right now is the glue. So I'm going to go ahead and start heating this up, and then we'll come back in a little while, probably 10 minutes, maybe a little more. Okay, and we're back. It's been about 10 minutes. This is pretty warm, so I'm going to go ahead and just keep warming it up. And what helps, I found, is if you can get a razor blade, and once this is heated up, the glue is going to come off a little easier. So you get that razor blade right under the edge here, and kind of just pop it up. And you can see it's going to barely come off. When you get that razor blade under there like that, now you're set, because all you got to do is heat that razor blade up and work it around the edge. I'll be back after I get this off. Okay, and we're back again. So I've heated it up, worked the razor blade around the edge slowly, heating up the razor blade as I go all the way around. You might want to wear some gloves for this, it gets pretty hot. So I've got most of it taken off here. I'm just going to get this last little bit that's still warm. We're going to go ahead and get right underneath there, and there we go. Alright, so at this point I should be able to pop this thing off. Boom, there we go. So one thing to note is I did disconnect the connector from the main board before I did this, and that helps a lot, because then at this point you can pull it off no problem. So there you go. That is the removal of the old screen. Now as you can see, I've got the new screen here, which is an exact copy of the old one. What you're going to want to do is get this down in here, so that you can put that out of the way, so that you can get that connector back over to where you need to. So very carefully get this in here. So you can see the new screen is going to pop down perfectly on there and fit right in. So one thing I'm going to do though is clean both this side and the bottom side there of the screen. I'm sorry, underneath here is actually a hard piece of glass. So I'm going to clean both sides of that first.